Coming from sport bikes, and in particular naked sport bikes, if I were to buy a cruiser, it'd be something like this. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I'm liking this. What's up, guys? Asher from Srkcycles.com. I'm new. For those of you who may or may not know me, I am the stupid guy that stole Sean's favorite bike. I'm kidding. I bought his, he put out a video with that title a little while ago. I bought his FZ07 from him, and today I'm helping him out with test drives. So today we got a 2015, yep, 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S in Kawasaki green. Looks good. Oh, it's ABS too. It's got analog brakes on it. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. A few little things done to it. He's got the bar end mirrors on it. Got some other stuff going on. It's a good looking bike though. I think it looks sweet. I think it's cool. So, never ridden one of these before. Let's take it for a spin, see what it's about. Alright guys, so today's words of wisdom come from Proverbs 3 verses 7 and 8. Do not be wise in your own eyes. Fear the Lord and shun evil. This will bring health to your body and nourishment to your bones. All right. Let's get going. Let's get moving. Woo! All right, so. Ooh, she got a little pep. Got a little pep to it. That's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet. So, 2015 Kawasaki Vulcan S. This is a 650 parallel twin. It's the same one that is in the Ninja 650, the new Ninja 650s, newer Ninja 650s, and the Kawasaki Z650, their naked sport bike. Parallel twin, nice and smooth. Brakes are good. Brakes are real good. Yeah, brakes are excellent right there. That horn, I'm gonna hit that horn. You see where the horn is, guys? I'm gonna hit that when I'm trying to cancel a turn signal. Guarantee it. It's gonna happen on this ride once. Can already tell. Okay, he's turning left. We're gonna come up here and go right. Okay, yep, all good. Let's go. So, oh yeah, man, that's got plenty of power. Feels really good. Feels really good. Picks up and moves pretty well. Brakes really nicely. Downshifts good. Does this thing have a slipper clutch in it? I don't know. I don't know if it does or not. But I'll need to check that out later. So as somebody who comes from like naked sport bikes and things of that nature, this feels really, really good. This is a motor I'm relatively familiar with. It's been in a lot of bikes, and there's a lot of bikes out there with parallel twins in them, and they all share very similar characteristics. Up over the hill, woo! This corners well. It moves well. It feels good, guys. It feels really good. I might flip these bar ends around so they're facing up instead of down. That would help. But clutch pull's nice and light. Brakes feel really good. And this is a pretty sweet bike. Yeah. Get around it like that. Yeah. See, it actually flicks side to side pretty good. Like really, really good. Yeah, I'd say coming from we're gonna figure out how to adjust these. Don't stall the bike out. There we go. Coming from sport bikes, and in particular naked sport bikes, if I were to buy a cruiser, it'd be something like this. This is pretty good. This is pretty good. I'm liking this. Forward controls, it does have those are definitely not mid controls. My feet are out in front of me. Again, I do have my inseam is on the shorter side. I do have, you know, like a 30-inch inseam, so I think a guy who, a guy or girl who's got a normal length inseam would probably feel a little bit different on it. But for me, my upper body feels really good. I mean, I'm sitting with my back up nice and straight. My arms are, you see, they're not stretched out. They're not stretched way far out. I'm not splayed out, or anything like that. It's just a really, really, really comfortable riding position. I like it. I really, really do. Again, if I were to buy a cruiser or something along the lines, you know what this reminds me of, like in looks? Now, everyone's gonna hate on me because this is, brand new. These things aren't that expensive. Everyone's gonna hate on me for saying this, but I'm gonna go ahead and say it. You know what this reminds me of, like a little bit of looks-wise? This thing reminds me a little bit of like a baby Ducati Diavel, which is kind of like that power cruiser that Ducati has. This kind of reminds me, the looks of this kind of remind me of that. I think the Diavel's foot pegs are kind of up a little bit higher, actually. But that's a little bit of what this reminds me of, especially with these like kind of underbar mirrors. It reminds me a little bit of that. Let's take some corners with it and see what it does. It does feel really good though. I got no reason to suspect that this thing won't corner well. See, I mean, it moves side to side, no problem. Again, they're a sport bike, but that's not what it's meant for. It still is good to know that, if you were to get one of these and go riding with your buddies who were on, naked bikes or even super sports, and you were, just doing some real mild stuff, going through, hitting the twisties on your favorite back roads or just going for a nice ride, you'd have no issue at all keeping up with some of those guys. And you know what? You'd be a lot more comfortable. The seat is lovely. That is a lovely seat. Woo. Yeah, I actually really do like that seat. That is a comfy seat. So, I actually can't get over it. I really, really like this bike. And the green, I didn't like the green the first time I looked at it. It's growing on me. It's growing on me a little bit, guys. Yeah, this is just a really, really, really fun bike. Yeah, this would be a good kind of do everything bike because it's that parallel twin. It's going to be good in town. Again, I ride an FZ07 and the parallel twin in that is awesome, like around town, because it makes all that low end. It's all low, kind of low end and mid range. So around town, commuting to work, stuff like that, the bike is perfect. This thing feels, oops, see, I didn't hit the horn, I did hit the high beams though. This bike's got a lot of the same characteristics that the FZ07 has, just kind of dumbed down a little bit. That FZ07 kind of rips down low in the rev range. This one's a lot more kind of refined, subdued. This says, yeah, we can go fast, but I'm not going to be a jerk about it. Yeah, and again, it's definitely not slow. It's really, really definitely not slow. I'm having a great time on it, I got to be honest. Lots and lots and lots of fun. Yeah, again, I don't see any reason why you wouldn't. The suspension feels good too. You just hit a bump right there. It feels awesome. Again, I see no reason why, if you were to buy one of these, go out with your boys who might be on sport bikes or naked bikes. Woo! There you go. On sport bikes or naked bikes. See, you just leaned it way over there. On sport bikes or naked bikes, you'd have no issue keeping up with them at all on this thing. Yeah, like I said, guys, it's not slow at all. This is a great motorcycle. Great bike. I almost hit the horn. I was right there. My hand was right on it. All right, so who's this bike for? I think if you're a beginner, you could do it. You could do it. I think, honestly, I actually think it might be a little much. It'd make a really good second bike. Like if you were coming off of something like the Rebel 250 or even the Honda Rebel 300s or Ninja 250 and you decided you want to go cruiser, this would make a phenomenal second bike. No questions asked. This would be great. I think that's really kind of who this is geared towards. It's not so much power that you're going to get in trouble. The power delivery is very nice. It's very linear. It's very benign. There's nothing crazy. There's no weird hiccups in it or anything like that. I think as far as the second bike goes, especially with having ABS on it, I think this is the one right here, guys. Yeah, second bike, no question. I think you'd be in good shape with this. All right, guys, that about does it. Hope you enjoyed coming along with me, checking out this pretty awesome machine. The bike is available at Srkcycles.com on the website. My name is Asher. We'll see you in the next one.
What's up, guys? I'm Sean. Thanks for watching that great video, and as always, click down here to subscribe, and here's the next fun video for you guys to watch. We'll see you guys next time.
And that wasn't far enough away.
And I had no clue. I'm just gonna tell you guys to back off. Train your bikes, and listen, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going. We'll see you guys later. We're